So you're going to, this is spring water, and we're going to go and collect the flower, and we're going to place it in the water.
Just a flower?
Just one flower.
Okay.
And then you're going to set this in the sun. It's supposed to be around 6 hours, but you're going to set it in the sun for the rest of the day today, lid off. And so it can infuse with
What if a bug goes in it?
That's why you're going to strain it.
Okay.
So then at the end of the day, you'll strain it,
yeah.
and what's left over is what's called the mother tincture.
Okay.
Or the mother essence. So then you're going to take 7 drops of the mother essence and put it into 2 cups of water. But it has to be spring water.
Oh. Well, you should have told me that when I went to the store.
Oh, well, you can take some of my water.
Okay.
So then, or you could just do 1 cup. Just do 1 cup of water because you don't need that much.
Okay.
Okay, so then you're going to swish it around, and then you're going to take 7 drops of that next one that you made and put that into a empty tincture bottle.
Hello, baby. Sorry. So I put that in an empty. I don't have a tincture bottle.
All right, we'll have to get you one. So
okay.
You're in an empty tincture bottle. Well, I'll give you that as your thank you for the cookie.
Okay.
So you'll have your tincture bottle. So you'll do 7 drops from the second one into the tincture bottle. You'll add half spring water, half alcohol to preserve it.
I don't have alcohol. Oh, like vodka?
Yeah, vodka or brandy. Then you're going to succuss it. So succussion is where you create like a resistance against it. So you're going to hit it against your hand. Remember, I showed you that before, right? 108 times.
Yeah.
And then that is your Yaro essence.
Okay.
So your mother tincture is something that you can preserve with water, You can preserve with alcohol. You can with this amount. Actually, you should bring it to me, and then I'll make it too. So with this amount, you can make like thousands of essences because you're only using 7 drops at a time.
Bring it to you since I'm moving, and I won't need thousands of essences.
That's right. So you can bring it to me later.
Oh.
So you can make the essence, and then what the next one is what's called the stock. So you have the mother, the stock, and then your dose bottle.
Okay.
Does that make sense?